Hello, Tuesday Dancing. Hope you're all alright. Hope you enjoyed the first session I did for you. So we're going to carry on from that and we're going to start with our warm-up. Hope you're all keeping safe. Just want to let you know I'm missing you all, and this is very different doing it this way. Anyway, at least we can do it some kind of way, can't we? Anyway, right, we're ready to get a groove on. Here we go. So putting our hands together. So rub your hands together. And the backs of the hands. Then going up one arm. All the way up. Up to that shoulder. And then tap it down, all the way down. Other side. Going underneath. All the way up to the shoulder. Then tap it down. Back to the hands. And then gentle tap in the face, open up that face. And that chest. And rub the tummy. And then down the legs. All the way down to the knees. And a bit further. And then up the back of the legs. All the way up to the bottom. Or pen all, as we say. So we rubbed all them body parts. We're going to do some mobilise the joints. Right, roll those shoulders. Got a bit of Irish music going today. Thought it'd liven us up. Then we roll them forward. Then circle the wrists. We circle the other way. And then we're going to circle the hips, take them out wide. Then the other way. Then feet together, hands on the knees, circle the knees. Then circle the other way. And then you can hold someone's hand or hold on to a wall. I'm going to hold on to the couch. And circle one ankle. And the other foot. Then mountain squats. Get those feet moving. Lift those knees up. A little bit like being house dancing. Lift those knees up. And give your body a shake. Shake those arms. Fab. Okay, so we're going to do our shakes to get our arms nice and warm now. Let me just get some music for us. Okay, so we're going to do 8 into the middle, 8 up, 8 down, and then 8 forward and back. Yeah. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. March and spot. Back to 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4. March. Ready for 2? Here we go. 1, 2. Up, 2. Down, 2. 1, 2. And again. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2 again. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. March. Ready? Now 1. In, up, down, front and back. 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 March. Stand still. We ready back to go to 8? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 2, 3, 4. Front to back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2. 1, 2. Up. 1, 2. Down. 1, 2. Front to back. 2. Now 1. In, up, down, front to back. In, up, down, front to back. In, up, down, front to back. One more. In, up, down, front to back. March. Do we feel a bit warmer? Right. Okay. So we're going to do some bits to warm our legs up. So our little warm-up routine that we normally do every week. So we're going to do 8 claps, 8 bends of the knees, do 8 kicks, not heels, kicks, and and then 8 swinging of the arms, and we're bending the knees at the same time. So it's 8 claps, 8 bend the knees, 8 kicks, and then 8 swings. Yeah? Okay, with some music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bend the knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kick the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, swing the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bend the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swing the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swing the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to clap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, we're going to march in the spot. Right, we're going to do it one last time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move out. Woo! Woo! Okay, right, we're ready to do our walking around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and bounce. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I'm going to put some music for us to do that. Are we ready? So we're going to do 4 walks and then 4 bounces. So it's quite a fast one, so 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce, 2, 3, 4, bounce, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce, 2. Now we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Wiggle 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, wiggle 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, wiggle 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, wiggle 2, back to bounce, 1, 2, 4, bounce 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, bounce 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, bounce 2, 4, 1, 2, wiggle 1, 2, 3, 4, wiggle 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, wiggle 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, wiggle 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, wiggle 2, 3, 4. Ready to bounce? 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce 2. Now wiggle. 1, 2, 3, 4, wiggle 2, 3. Now bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, wiggle 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, wiggle 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, bounce 2, 4, 1, 2. Now you walk and freestyle 2, 4, freestyle, and walk, freestyle, walk, freestyle, walk, freestyle, and hold it up, big stretch, stretch out, then stretch it up, stretch it out, stretch it up, stretch it out, stretch it up, out. Now walk, 1, 2, 3, freestyle, and again, walk, 2, 3, maybe bounce, bounce, 4, walk, 2, 3, and wiggle. Maybe this time with freestyle, freestyle, walk, bounce, walk, wiggle, walk, freestyle, walk, bounce, walk, wiggle, walk, freestyle, walk, bounce, walk, wiggle, walk, and freestyle. Woo! Great stuff. Okay, so can remember our dance that we started last week? We did To Queen, to Another One Bites the Dust, yeah? So we did... Yeah, so we started off with 8 claps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Play the guitar. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So let's just try that's the music. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guitar. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've just remembered we did 4 claps but last week, not 8, and I forgot to change it on my notepad. So you better. Right, so it's 4 claps, then 8 guitar, and then we had the drums. Do you remember playing the drums? Yeah, so we're going to try that with the music. Here we go. Guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drums. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, can we remember what we did from there? So we played that guitar, we played our drums. Now what else do we do in a band? Oh yeah, we sing. So we're going to sing it. Boom, boom, boom. strike from the start. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drums. Get ready to sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we strike a pose. And then point comes down, and we went to our partner. Yay, boom, boom, boom. Another one bites the dust. Yeah, so after the singing, I'm going to pose. Oh, music started without me. Yeah, pose. Then that point comes down, and then you're going to walk to your partner then, and see if you can remember what you did with your partner. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, get that. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drums. Sing. 5, 6, 7, strike a pose. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of the seat? Then the point comes down. Then walk to your partner. Yay! Boom, boom, boom. Now, with your partner, you had to pick either playing the drums or the guitar, okay? So you need to choose now with your partner, or if you can remember what you did last week, that's great. Yeah, and then you're going to strike a rock and roll pose. Do the tongue out if you want, or you can do the pose that we just did, that one. Yeah, it's up to you. So you pick the instrument, either play the guitar, play the guitar or play the drums, and then you're going to strike a pose. Yeah, shall we try that from the start? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, guitar. Drums. Sing. Pose. And that point comes down. Then walk it up, play your instrument. And strike the pose. Great stuff. Then from there you're going to go into a line, in a long line like this, yeah? And then one's going to sing first, then the next person, then the next person. So it's going to go in canon all the way down. Once it gets down to the end of the line, you're then going to strike that pose again. So you go from singing to strike that pose, and it goes in canon and back. Yeah, should we try that from the start? Guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sing. Straight pose. Bring that point down. Then go to your partner. Play your instrument. Strike your pose. Then you're going to walk it into a line. And then down the line goes sing, 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 pose, pose, pose. Oh, fab. Great stuff. And then what we'll do is carry on with that next week, yeah? Okay, so We'll just practice that once more and then we won't add any more. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drums. 6. Pose. Then to your partner, play your instrument. Set your pose. Then into the line. So ready, first person goes down the line. Sing, 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 sing. Pose. Then that point comes down. And then we're going to walk into a circle. You all come into a big circle. Now we're going to play the drums. And this is what we're going to add on next week, but with a twist. So let's just have a little go playing a big drum in a circle. Are you playing that drum? Yeah, so next week that's what we're going to do. We're going to go into a big circle next week. And then what we're going to do then is add on the drums. Yeah, so you're going to play the drums, but we're going to do accumulation. Remember how we do that? So one goes, then the other one joins in, so the drum will get louder and louder because more people are playing. Yeah, cool. So we'll add that on next week. Now, do we remember? Our dancing queen, feel that beat on the tambourine. Do we? Can we remember it? You remember we're playing a different instrument here, the piano. So we start with swaying, don't we? So we sway, 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 and then we've got piano, piano, and then we sway, 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 sway. Yeah, should we try that with the music? Okay, let's try that again. Right, so do you remember, so after the sway and the piano and the sway again, then you're going to walk to your partner. So you're not going to be too far from your partner because you've got 4 walks. Then you can go back to back with your partner. Now your front arm, the one facing me, I'm going to point first, so you can dance and you can dance, yeah? And then you're going to face your partner, hold hands, having the time of your life, yeah? Okay, so let's just try that. So we go, you can dance, having the time of your life. Yeah, should we try that from the start? Let's go. 2. Back to back. Face your partner, sway. So you're going to sway for all of that bit, okay? So we'll try that again from the start. That's that. There we go. Face your partner and sway. Right, can we try that once more, and then you're going to add your own thing on. Okay, ready? Back to back. There's your partner. Sway. Do you know the bits that we could add in is the ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum piano bit? And I'm going to write that down before I forget. Now, here, with your partner, you're going to add a turn. So any kind of turn you want. A stretch, yeah? So any kind of stretch, reach out, roll of the arms, and then a point up and down. That's a lot of things to put together. So I'll do that again. So you have a way of turning, yeah? So you can turn both hands holding, one hand holding, or you can link arms, or one can turn under, or the other can turn under. Then I want you to do a stretch of some kind sort, a roll of the arms, and then point up, down with your partner. Okay, so I'm just gonna play the music for you to have a little bit of a play around there. So just have a little mess about, a little practice. So have a little bit of practice, keep going. Have we got it? Have you got your turn? Check. Have you got your stretch? Check. Have you got your roll of your arms? Check. And have you got your point up and down? Oh, cannot wait. I bet you're brilliant. Right, do you want to try them? It's the bit of the music that you're doing it to. Right, off you go. Okay, we got it? Should we put it together from the start and you can add your duets on? Yeah, let's go. And then walk to your partner, back to back. Point. Face your partner, sway. You've got the piano. Woo! Now ready to start your duets? Off you go. Keep going, I'm watching. So remember, it's the turn, stretch, roll the arms, points down. Okay, can we try it once more from the start and then we'll do a cool down. Here we go. Then walk to your partner, back to back. Face your partner, sway. Piano. Ready to start your duet? Ready? I'm watching. Go. And remember, hold it still till everyone else is finished. Oh, so we go up to there. I'll just put that time down. There we go. And then we'll carry on from there the following week. Okay, so we're going to stretch out now. Okay. So, feet together and just roll your shoulders back nice and slow. And roll your wrists. Other way. And take your feet slowly, slowly. Feet together, so take your right leg back, bend your left, feet pointing forward and stretch that back leg. Then step it together, now take the other foot back. Step it together, then take your arms out, stretch the fingertips, then reach both arms up, and then drop them down. And again, reach up, and drop them down, and then just take it wide, and then I want you to hook your arms in, give yourself a squeeze. And we're going to do that once more, reach out, bring it in. Give yourself a squeeze. Give your arms a little shake. Thank you very much, Tuesday Dancing. I hope you've enjoyed some form of dancing with me today, as we're not together, but one way. I miss you all and wish we could do this in real person, but this is one way.